Hello everyone. So there was a question on the community on developing or not developing but tracking development or developers task in Jira. Now this question is a bit related to a similar question which I answered, and I also made a video I believe on tracking the branches commits. Now if I look at the question is I would like to see all the tickets and commits for each developer for in the last few months. And it could be tickets that he or she assigned, commented, and they committed to a branch. Now, there are a few things that we can do. Of course, you can always track using simple JQL to track the work items, issues in Jira where they were assigned to, where those issues were assigned to someone. So you can always create a simple JQL, right? And by the way, if you're new to Jira and if you're trying to do something over the period of time, you can always use JQL. But what you need to do is, if you're new to JQL or if you are maybe not familiar or sure about how to do it, what you need to do, just click on the search box, go to issues, and let us say you want to do something over the last, let us say you're interested in finding all the issues that were assigned to someone, maybe in your team, but in the last, let us say 6 months. So what you can do is you can always click on this more, search for the resolution date, and then maybe I'll remove the created date. And then what you need to do for the resolution date, you can check here within the last 6, let us say weeks, but we are talking about 6 months. So it should be 6 into 4 roughly, I guess, or maybe whatever, 30, whatever. It depends on how many weeks you want to track. Let us say 24 weeks. And if you press enter, it will give you all the issues that were assigned to anyone. Of course, you can always refine it to show only issues assigned to you. But these are all the issues that were resolved in the last 6 months. So this can be, of course, a simple way. And because you have this date field, because you have date field anyways in Jira for these issues, you can always do something about it. Maybe plot it on timeline. But these issues are not really going to show you, or basically, if you're trying to search for all the issues based on the branch name, I don't really think you can do that. There are a few things that you can do. Like you can always take a look at something called as a development. And if you type something like commits, and you have to basically read the documentation for this. So if you type in something like this, development commits.all, so basically it will give you all the issues that had some commit or some commits, basically more than one commit basically, and it will give you this list. And this might work along with, let us say, so what you can do, you can along with this, you can say, okay, so the issues that were resolved. So you can say resolution date. Maybe I will just copy this. Okay, resolution date greater than 30. Oh, let me just type in here. Greater than minus 30 weeks. And maybe I don't really have a lot, but maybe I'll try 50. Okay, so we have these two issues that were resolved in the last 50 weeks or 1 year roughly, and there are some commits. And of course you can also do something like and assignee is equal to some user. So you can always type in and make this a bit more refined. So this is what you can do. Use this development commits.all greater than 0, along with of course the resolution date, along with of course assignee. And it may not be super accurate, but as long as you have issues assigned to someone and they are committing their code, it should give you an idea. And I thought I'll probably share it with you. Unfortunately, there is no way to, I don't really think there is a way to search for issues based on a branch name. But that is how it is, as long as we know it is not possible. So we'll not worry about it and we'll find another way. And that is it. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.